Howdy, it's Mike here, and today it's new guitar day again, guitar number 24. I was meant to stop at 22 or 16, 18, but here we go. But my man in Townsville, Steve Orzani from Orzani Guitars, has come out with another one-off custom weapon guitar, and I've been really happy with the Warlock style guitar that I've purchased from him a couple of months ago, made out of Australian rain tree timber. All these guitars are made out of natural Australian woods. That one had Artec pickups, but I've changed those pickups to we've got Seymour Duncans in that there at the moment. This one's been a weapon of a guitar, and what's going to happen today is we're going to unbox a brand new telly. Now I've already got two tellies. I've got a G&L Blues Boy, and I've also got an artist guitar which I've had customised with hand-wound locally made pickups. But I don't have a telly in the original configuration, and one's got humbucker in the neck and single coil in the bridge, and the other one's vice versa, you know, humbucker in the bridge and single coil. Beautiful 70s hand wound, but yeah, this one's going to be traditional wound with meant to be a sparkly finish, so let's go. Just before we unbox, a quick reminder, yeah, that's the Warlock with, looks like it's an Ibanez gem neck, 24 fret inlay fret, which is fantastic, and let's get going. Okay, I've ordered this one with the case, hard case, and shipping was really good too. It was a bit of damage on that box, but hang on a sec. I've been following the build process on Facebook with this one. Steve's been shaping the body since February, and just picked this up now in October, but November, sorry. But yeah, February to October is how much time it's taken for him to cure and work with this body. But it's meant to have a beautiful sparkly finish. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that's a winner. Oh, smooth and yeah. Nice grain. Get rid of that receipt. Fantastic finish. And compared to next door, not very happy with these one-off customs. Yeah, beautiful bridge and pick up selector switch, and this one's also got the belly cut as well. Oh, that's fantastic. Look at that finish. That is just fantastic. What a body. Yeah, no, that sparkle really didn't come up in the photos, but I can see the sparkle. Maybe not this camera, but definitely in real life there's heaps of sparkle in that. That's really beautiful. Nice Australian bit of wood. Yeah, my stepfather used to work with this wood too. He made my sister and my mum and I all beautiful coffee tables and dining tables with this. Oh, it's a strap lock there. Different. Beautiful neck, okay. Thank you, can't wait. My two beautiful Orzanis. Custom one-offs, support Australian made. Ciao.